let me show you how I created my own B-roll in Camtasia. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I was editing some videos, and there was this one particular part where I was editing Orit's video, who is my business partner, and she said the line, video editing surgery. And so I thought it would be cool to create some B-roll of some surgeons and video editing. So this is what it looks like.
Jewel would have to do this like video surgery on the video to like take this piece here and like put it together with this piece here. It was just, again, like I mentioned, a mess.
And so I thought it'd be cool to have this popping up. It was just like an inspiration. And of course, you're not gonna find B-roll of video editing surgery. Like that's like a made up term, right? So I'm like, wait, let me get some surgeons and then some video editing and then like put it together with a heartbeat and then let's create some cool new B-roll. I just thought it would be a cool part in the video. So let me show you how I did this. So this was actually really simple because I got the stock footage and slash images from Adobe Stock. We do have a subscription on there. You can find copyright-free B-roll images from a whole bunch of different sites. I like using Adobe. They have such a huge selection and I can usually find what I need and the quality is usually better. Like this part right here with the surgeon, that's an AI image and you can see that it's an image but it's also like a video at the same time because there's like movement happening. This was AI generated, so, and I didn't go and create it. Somebody else did and uploaded it to Adobe. But check this out. It's such a cool like video image thing. It's like an AI thing and it's like, you know, of people doing surgery. There's like some light happening, movement, and then, you know, one of the surgeons moves their head. So I found this on there and I thought it was perfect for that part in the video. And then I found this image, which is just like a picture of some video editing. All right, so I've got those two pieces there. And you can see in the original one here, I had cropped this one down. So let me just crop this image here. And I had cropped it like pretty close, like right up to the edge almost. So something like this, where I cropped out a lot of the purple and I just like made it smaller, but then I made it bigger at the same time. So let me just go back here. Yeah, it was like small, and then it starts getting bigger as they get close up. A couple of things before I do the animation on this. So I made it like something like that to make it look like they're doing editing surgery, right? And then I went to my sound effects because I have a whole bunch of sound effects that I've saved over the years. And I'll just go to my audio files. And I had a heartbeat pulse throbbing because I figured that I would use this in future videos and I was correct. So again, I downloaded this from Motion Array, which is a stock footage site. If you're interested in that, I'll have a link down in the description below. But I basically just put the sound effect. So you can see here the sound of the heartbeat. Right, just to give it more of an effect, right? And then what I did was I had this enlarged just to give it even more movement so it's not so like flat, right? Because this AI video thing, image video, is moving, and so I wanted to show movement as well. So what I did was click on this, head over to animations, click on animations again, go to custom. And then from here, I'm going to enlarge it. And you can see the red dot is going down there, right? Which means that the animation is, you know, getting locked in. And then what I did was I extended this throughout, and then we'll just play it now. So you can see that it's growing. And then what else did I do? Oh, I also added a rounding effect. So you see how this has sharp corner edges? Just for the details of things. I went and I added the corner rounding effect, which can be found in visual effects, but it is in my favorites. And so I dragged the corner rounding effect onto this. And then I also added a drop shadow just to give it a little detail there. Okay, so once we added those two things, I'm going to play it again. And so I was really happy with this because I was like, she's talking about video editing surgery, and then this pops up. I bet no one was expecting that when they were watching the video. So I'll play it again.
Jewel would have to do this like video surgery on the video to like take this piece here and like put it together with this piece here. It would.
So I was pretty happy with that, and I thought, you know, I just created my own B-roll. Let me do a tutorial and show people how they can do this as well. So if you're not finding what you need in your videos, you can create it by piecing together some other images or videos and sounds to create something cool like this. So that is how you create your own B-roll in Camtasia. I recommend trying it out. If you are interested in those stock footage sites, head down to the description below. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to fast track your Camtasia learning, I highly recommend taking my Camtasia course. You get lifetime access. It's 12 plus hours. It's basically a Camtasia encyclopedia of videos that you can always come back to and reference. There are no ads, and it'll always be there when you need it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.